Baby animals.
Whoa!
This is a sheep. This is the baby sheep. The baby sheep is called a lamb. Lamb. This is a lion and its baby. Ah! The baby lion looks so cute. The baby lion is called a cub. Cub. This is a dog. Have you seen a baby dog? What is it called? A baby dog is called a puppy. Puppy. Look, here is a big cat. And this is the baby cat. So cute. The baby cat is called a kitten. Kitten. This is a pig. What is a baby pig called? A baby pig is called a piglet. Piglet. Here is a chicken. The baby chicken is called a chick.
Whoa!
Chick. This is a cow. The baby cow is called a calf. Calf. Whoa! This is a bear. The baby bear is called a cub. Cub. This is a horse. The baby horse is called a foal. Foal. This is a duck. The baby duck is called a duckling. Ah! The tiny duckling. Here is a deer. The baby deer is called a fawn. Fawn. This is a kangaroo. The baby kangaroo is called a joey. Joey. Now, let's find the baby animals hiding behind these rocks.
Aww.
A lion cub.
Yay!
A fawn.
Yay!
A chick.
Whoa!
A foal.
Whoa!
A duckling. A puppy.